Hey everybody, Lawrence with Photo Booth International here once again. Today I'm going to show you just how simple and fun it is to interact with one of our photo booths. Today I got the PBI 12 black tie, which you can find online at photoboothint.com, but let's get started. So when the guest walks up, there's a caption here that says press here. Once they do that, they're then going to be presented with a box that shows them a live view. This allows them to get in the composition of frame properly, making sure nobody's missing out on having any fun. This also allows them to see just where the props are in order to get properly positioned. So once that happens, you're going to get a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and at that point, it's going to snap the photo. That countdown allows them to know just how long they have until the next photograph. With today's template, we have 3 photographs. Once it's finished and they've taken all their photos, it's then going to start to print. Once it starts printing, they would have an option on here if you chose to for social media. This is going to include Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever you allow the guests to use that you decide beforehand. Once they've chosen that, they've entered their information, they've uploaded to social media, they grab their photograph, they move on, the next guest can walk up and start having some fun. So I hope this was informative for you today. Don't be afraid. Visit us at photoboothint.com. Call us, text us, email us. We want to get you one of these booths today. Make sure that you're making some money and providing a fun, happy atmosphere for everybody at every event out there. Thanks again. I'll see y'all soon.